Did you know that coffee is actually consumed by over 1 billion people around the world? It is not every day where you go to a local coffee shop and they know your name and know exactly what you want. They know exactly what you love. And not just that, they remember every time you walk in. Who is your coffee guy? My coffee guy is a guy named Shane. He was once the youngest Q grader in the world. Q grading is the international standard for grading coffee. Simple as that. The beans, they're prepared right in front of me. The coffee is fresh every single time, and the taste is unmistakable. Come check him out. I promise you won't be disappointed. What am I gonna say? What did I get last time?
Cool. So you got a mocha with chocolate that we make in house, and then a cold brew with milk, chocolate, and orange bitters.
Let's go.
So good.
I love this place. Their coffee is fantastic. Well, whether you enjoy coffee from Starbucks or one of your local roasters, always remember this. A cup of coffee shared with a friend or stranger is happiness tasted and time well spent. Hit that like button if you like coffee, smash that subscribe button if you love coffee, and I will see you on the next video.